I'm going to show you how to use the earring template in Inkscape today. We opened Inkscape. First thing we're going to do is document properties. We're going to change the display to inches. We're going to change the paper to inches and put in 8.5 by 11 because that's our paper size. And that's all we need to do there. Up here, we're going to change that to inches. And then we're going to bring in the, we're going to go to import and bring in the earring template. And we want to choose the ping. And the little box will open up. And click OK. You don't have to click anything else, just OK. Now, you need to go down, if your page, if you don't see the whole page, go down to the right hand corner and click on the little box down there that changes the size. Put your template onto your page and then go to File, Import, bring in an earring template, an earring design, open it. It says OK and it's very large, so I'm going to click the lock and make it smaller. It's still too large. We need to make it smaller even more. Go down. And one thing you can do is click off of the earring. Well, first of all, let's put it behind. We're going to choose the earring design and click on the layer down. Okay, now click off of the design. I'm going to go to Objects, Fill and Stroke, down on the right hand corner, Opacity. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to make it bigger. So that I can see it better. Make sure that's behind. You can see the lines here. I moved that. Okay. Up a little more so you can see the lines. You can see the lines here. And it's still much too big. So put it down. Line it up. Get it to where it's a little bit bigger than the outline there. That looks good. You can see that the design is slightly bigger than the earring itself. Now if you want, you can maybe make it smaller, a little bit smaller, so that the cross is centered in the, whoops, like that. You can also use the arrow keys to move it over a little bit. Go up, up. I'm going to make it just a tad bit larger. There we go. It's a little bigger. And then I'll make it smaller. Right click on it, duplicate it 3 times, and move it over to the next one. There we go. Well, I'm going to send all these to the back. Because you need 4 for 1 pair of earrings. And those are good. Let's bring in another one. Let's do Christmas one. Oh, he's even much bigger. We're probably going to want to bring him down to, say, we'll go with 1.5 inches high. Oops. He disappeared. Where did he go? There he is. Making it a bit larger. Send it to the back. I'm gonna make it larger. Oops, I made it smaller. You can see the black line. If you want to bring down the top, you can do that. I'm going to move it over a bit, and that centers it. That looks good. And then you want to duplicate it 3 times. Move this one over. Move one down here. Okay. Send it to the back. Send to the back. Send to the back. Gonna do 4 more. Import. Let's find something. How about this one. And that one's huge too. So we're going to bring that one down to, say, 2 inches. It don't matter. Send it to the back. Check it out. Adjust it. Move over a little. And do the same thing. Duplicate it 3 times. And then move this over. Send to the back. Send to the back. Send to the back. As long as everything is good within those little black lines, then you're ready to go. All you have to do is remove this. Just remove that. Delete it. And you're ready to print.